Rescue efforts are underway for stranded people in flood-hit areas of Manipur. Since yesterday, the Indian Army has been tirelessly conducting rescue operations in various parts of Imphal East and West. So far, they have successfully rescued 5,265 individuals, including the President of the Indian Journalists Union. Indian Army stationed at Limakhong is actively engaged in saving people in flood-affected areas. These operations have been ongoing round the clock, even during the night. Notable areas heavily impacted by the floods include Nagaram, Kumalampak, Laringbamlekai, Zumi Village, North AOC, Mejokhul, MG Avenue and Raj Bhavan. The Indian Army has been leading rescue efforts in these areas. Among those rescued are President of the Indian Journalists Union Gitartha Pathak and Ayuba Bhuyan, the Joint Secretary of the National Press Club, Dhaka. They had sought refuge at the Manipur Press Club but had to be rescued due to flooding. The Indian Army safely evacuated them from the Press Club. Additionally, the Indian Army is also actively involved in repairing breaches along the Imphal River at 3 different locations. Efforts are underway to seal these breaches, with work progressing steadily.
Experience in Manipur, in other ways I have so many experiences. But this type of experience, particularly regarding this natural disaster, so this happens also in my place, in Guwahati is my native place. So flood is, we quite accustomed with flood. But this type of flood I have heard, it happens also in Imphal. But this time it is something unique because the flood has come during last 2 days because of the incessant rainfall in the hills. The water came down to the valley, and now the good part of the flood is that the administration and the army, they are helping the people. They are rescuing the Maroon people, and they are extending all sorts of help. And I think this will maybe continue for 1 or 2 days, but I think it will be ultimately come down.